estudiantes, this is the pre-video to the two command lesson you're going to be learning in class. This is necessary if you might have been absent from class or if you need a refresher on how to conjugate AR, ER, and IR verbs in the present tense. So this video is the affirmative two commands, mandatos informales, Señor Rivas, Spanish 1. Bienvenidos. So here is a chart showing you how to conjugate regular verbs, something that you have learned in the previous months in the school year. If you look at the peach, it is an AR. That's the ending of the verb. So you typically would drop the AR and add whatever ending you need to add. If you look in blue, that's the ending for an ER verb. So if you wanted to conjugate a verb in the present tense and it happened to have an ER ending, you would follow what's in blue. And the last column is an IR ending. So again, you would drop the IR of the verb and you would add whatever is necessary for the subject pronouns. So right here are your subject pronouns: yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. We're going to focus on this subject pronoun here, él, ella, and their endings for an AR verb, for an ER verb, and for an IR verb. If you go here to our example, already conjugated verbs, this is the verb comprar. It is an AR verb. You drop the AR ending and you conjugate for él, ella, you get compra. You go to this verb here, comer. You drop off the ER ending and you conjugate for él, ella again, and it's come. The last verb on our list is going to be an IR verb, the verb escribir. Again, you drop the IR of the verb, you conjugate for él, ella, and you get escribe. Now, this is a preemptive lesson to help you to remember how to conjugate a verb, an AR verb, an ER verb, and an IR verb in the él, ella form, because the conjugation of the verb in the él, ella form is the same as the to command. So if you were to conjugate the verb comprar, compra, comer, come, escribir, escribe, I'm saying to you, those conjugations are identical to the to command. Now, this is a stem changing verb list of verbs that you have come across throughout the school year. And you also should be familiar is which verb stem changes in what way. So there on this page right now, there are 4 categories. So there's an E to IE, there's O to UE, that is E to I, and U to UE. So we're going to start off with the verb cerrar. So again, this is an AR verb. You drop the AR and you add the AR ending. But before you think you're done, you have to remember that that E becomes IE. So it becomes not cerrar or cerrar, it's cierra. And then you have the verb dormir over here. And this is an O to UE verb. So that becomes duerme. Then we have the verb pedir down here. And again, you drop the IR, you add the IR ending, which is an E, and you have to remember that E turns into an I, so pide. So this is the ending of my lesson to assist you in remembering or reviewing, or if you were absent from class, something that you can focus on to help you remember the concepts of regular verb conjugation and stem changing verb conjugation. So if the verb happens to stem change in the present tense, it will also carry over to the to command. The following slides are going to break down the to command, and that would be in a different video cast. Take care, and I hope that this lesson was helpful to you.